sky is crying, and I know it's spring upstate New York. The snow is slowly turning to a wet season. Cloudy days and rainy days, drowned in man, never troubled by the rain. And the weather report, there's 100% chance of rain right here or somewhere. Golly gee, it's spring, it's gonna be a gully washer. I'm not angry when it rains. It's not rain's fault, it's pouring down. It never learned to rain upside down, except in a tornado or a hurricane. Besides, so long as it rains, I can goof off with my guitar and words indoors. Oh, rain, rain, go away. I'm looking for blue skies, but it's gonna be another day. Rain, rain, what you know? If it gets cold tonight, it'll be frozen like snow. I'm looking forward to summer, you know, the rain will be warmer. Upstate New York, we have winter, and then we have the rainy season with a couple weeks of intermittent sunshine. But I get to play in the puddles, so I let my smile be my umbrella. Let it rain, rain, rain. Or as somebody once said, it's raining men. Out there somewhere in that crazy mental state, willows waving in the breeze, childhood buddies holding hands, emotions, echoes dancing. It's outer space, it's a kingdom once long gone. Every idiom swallowed was untrue. Who am I and who are you? Crazy wars and drug and boozy blues. Everything we learned in school untrue. That lonely feeling of lust and want, worries, desires, was the time. Thinking education is a wasted exercise. Baby, you're driving me up the wall. I make a whoopee to ease my soul. Crazy footsteps cemented in Hollywood Boulevard. Thinking I was tough before.